Alright, so what's going on, guys? So today we got a Nintendo 3DS, and this thing has a bad charging port. I've tested the charging port, made sure that that was the issue, and it is the issue. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this old charging port that it has and replace it with a new one. So let's go ahead and get this one off. And it's pretty much already coming off. It's literally like falling apart, but I still don't want to have to pull any pads. So there we go, got it off. Alright, let's get one of our new ones out. Let's get the new one on here. Yeah, the other one, the whole inside plastic piece was gone from it. I mean, it just wouldn't charge for nothing. So, ordered these ones, and I'm gonna try to stay away from the plastic so I don't melt the plastic. But at the same time, I want to get this thing on here nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and I am going to put a little bit more on that one, a little bit there. Just wanted to kind of hold down the new one, and then I'll just go back over it again and make sure that it's on there nice and securely. So let's go ahead and heat it back up. I'm going to turn this so I can get to it a little bit better. That looks pretty good right there. And let's go back over these and make sure that they're on there nice, okay? Yeah, I melted it a little bit. Just a little bit of plastic. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. A little bit of melted plastic, never hurt anyone. Okay, side looks good. That looks good. Okay, and I'm just gonna so that's it for this Nintendo 3DS charging port. Alright, so here it is, guys. We got it back together, and as you can see, let's get this in the camera. There it is, it's charging. So the charging port job that we did work out. And we can go ahead and power it on just to make sure that it is working. And there we go. We got power. Okay. I think the bottom screen is supposed to turn on. I'll figure out what's going on with that in a few seconds here, but for the most part, we know that it is working. Oh, and we gotta fix this right here. This is all out of whack, so I guess I gotta straighten that out. So we'll fix the bottom screen, which is this part right here, and then we'll figure out what's going on with everything else. But for the most part, I know that it's working. All this stuff is just minor stuff, that probably ribbon cable that I gotta reconnect. I wanted to show you guys that it is working. It is charging. That's the main thing, was to get this thing charging again. Alright, guys.